How to track trialers in Putler. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create trialers in Putler. Let's get started. First, log into your Putler account. Then go to the Sales dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Add Filters. Now click Add Rule. In the first drop-down, select Sale Amount. Then choose the operator equals. Next, enter the value. Here I'm choosing $0 because in Putler, we have $0 trialers. You can also enter $1 or any other amount depending on your trial amount. Once done, click Apply Rule. Then click Apply Filters. Now you'll see the filtered data. And scroll down to see the order list view of all trialers. Next, click Save as Segment to save this filter for future use. Here I'm naming it as Trialers. Now click Save and that's it. Next, I'm clearing all filters using the Clear button. Next, go to Segments. Select the segment you just created here. I'm choosing Trialers. You can also adjust the date range to view trial orders from a specific period. And now you can easily view the related orders and list. Please note, once you select a segment, it applies to all dashboards. So after you've finished analyzing your selected segment, make sure to clear it. And switch back to all segments before moving on. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.